Yo, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless gaming headset. I'm really excited about this one. I was using my Razer Naris and they broke down, and it wasn't really any fault of my own. It was just that the dongle stopped connecting to the headset and it no longer connects and works anymore. So, you know, it's sad as that is, it's time for a new headset. One of the ones that I'm going to be trying out, I'm going to be trying out a few, is the Cloud 3 wireless. Right now it's on sale, $123. It's $150 normally, so it's actually a good deal. I kind of gravitated towards this one because I already have the mouse, the HyperX Pulsefire Raid, and I like the brand, so I kind of went with this one. I'm going to tell you my first impressions on it, so let's get into the unboxing here. You can see here, this is the headset, the box that it comes in. On the side, you got up to 120 hours of battery life, 53mm drivers, clear microphone, and 2.4 hertz wireless connection. Pretty standard stuff. The presentation, pretty nice. As you can see, the headset here, put that off to the side, and on the inside, obviously there's that instruction manual, but I mean, who reads that? This is inside the box. Gives you a little carrying case. It's pretty nice. Charging wire, type C, so if you already have a type C, you can use the exact same one. I have a bunch of type C's, so I don't need that. And then this is also obviously the microphone and the dongle. This is also either type C or USB, so it works for either your laptop or your actual PC. And of course, this is the carrying case. It's not a zipper, it's a drawstring, but it's still pretty good quality. These are the headsets, all black, very nice. The ear cups are leather, so it's good quality. It doesn't hurt your skin or anything like that. Good, sturdy, adjustable head strap. It's made out of metal, so it's not plastic. You know, it's sturdy, and that's obviously on the inside as well. Then this is putting in the microphone. Pretty easy to put in the microphone. Just snaps in, no problems there. Both sides, pretty well insulated, it looks like. Headset feels pretty durable as well. Doesn't feel cheap. That's the volume, the mic, and the power. No exterior RGB LEDs on the side. No big deal. Pop them on here, and this is me connecting. You need the HyperX Ingenuity, I think it's called, software, and once it's connects to that with the dongle, it upgrades the firmware on the headset and installs that. It makes you do a little quick restart so that it fully installs on the computer. And once it's restarted, it needs you to plug into the USB-C so that it can perform one more update directly to the headset itself. So if you have any Type-C, you're good. I used the one for my keyboard, no problem, it worked without an issue. So you just wait for that to finish up. Once that's finished up, you're pretty much good to go. You can use it as normal. It just needs you to reconnect it to the dongle, so just pressing power, and you can see all of the different volume controls on the actual headset itself in the software. There's not a whole lot. The only thing that's really there is that DBX switch. I didn't notice much of an audio change when I did that. The EQ modes are pretty good to use when you switch them on for certain things, so that's good. You could play around with those. They automatically make preset ones for you, so you could test them out yourself, and things like that. There's really, I'll be honest, there's not a lot to customize within this headset on the software, so it's very streamlined, very straightforward. It's pretty much plug and play, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. So yeah, so far I used them. I had no real problems. I liked the build quality. That was one of the things that stood out to me. Big, so they're not going to be weird where they don't fully go over your ear. I have pretty big ears. I'm 6'3", so I'm a pretty big dude. It should be able to fit you without any problems there. As you can see, the headset, like I was showing you before, the quality is good. It's all metal, so you're not going to be worried about plastic and parts that are important just breaking off or anything like that. That's one thing that's very important when you have headsets for the longevity. You want to know that you're going to be paying for something that will last you a while, and I do think these will be one of those headsets that do that. So this is just a little overview. I'm going to be doing a review versus the Cloud 2s, so subscribe for that. Stay tuned. I'm also going to be testing out other headsets as well on the channel. You're going to be seeing me open a Logitech headset coming up that's very similar to this, a little bit more expensive, but we'll go over all of that. So if you like this video, thank you so much for watching. Just give it a little like and subscribe, like I said, if you want to see the comparison of other headsets and more things to come. I have a few things cooked up in the future, so I hope you stick around for that. That all said and done, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace.